Ready? Let's go.
Birthday po, Teacher Gina. Thank you for the love and care. I love you po.
Happy birthday po, teacher. Thank you po sa pagtuturo ninyo. God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina. Wish you more birthdays to come. Thank you for loving, teaching, and supporting for us. God bless po.
Hi, Teacher Gina. Happy birthday. I love you. Ma.
Hello, Ma'am Gina. Ang wish ko po ngayon ay sana pagkalooban po kayo ng Diyos na malusog na katawan. Salamat rin po sa mga pangaral ninyo sa amin. Hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan. Happy birthday and we love you.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina. Thank you for all of the effort and knowledge that you provided us. I wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Gina. Salamat po sa pagtuturo niyo. Sana maging malusog po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina Wachopa. Your guidance has given my life meaning and purpose.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. Thank you for always taking the time to explain things to me and enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Mom Gina!
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. Thank you for teaching us. I will never forget you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. Thank you for teaching us.
Ready?
I wish you
Let's go.
happy, safe,
Happy
and
birthday.
strong. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina. Thank you po sa lahat ng itinuro mo po sa amin at sa pagiging mabuting teacher. God will bless you po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. Thank you for keeping us motivated and encouraging us to achieve greatness in school. You are truly superhero in our class. Be happy and healthy always. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. I miss you. Thank you for being my teacher and still my friend until now. Although I'm no longer a student. I wish that you'll always have good health. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang pagsasama na pagtuturo sa amin. Ingat po kayo lagi at lagi po kayo mag-iingat. Love you, Ma'am.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. Thank you for teaching, loving, and caring us. Enjoy your day. Take care always. And may God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. May you have a healthy and happy life. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. I hope you inspire more students to become a great teacher like you.
Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina. Sana po ay lagi kayong healthy at lagi po kayong magiging masaya.
Surprise! Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina! Wish and pray ko po sa inyo na sana po maging healthy at happy po kayo ngayong birthday niyo po. Happy birthday po, Teacher Gina! I love you po!
Happy birthday, Teacher Gina. Wish ko po na bigyan po kayo ni Lord na mahabang buhay, malusog na pangangatawan, at masayang puso. God bless you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.